what's up and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I'm gonna create this beautiful festive Navaratri makeup look. I'm super excited to share it with you guys. Navaratri is definitely one of my favorite festivals. 9 के 9 दिन मैं गरबा खेलने जाती हूँ. So I'm super pumped. And of course, if you're interested, then keep on watching till the end. Let's get started.
Slowly kisses passing by the river.
Hey, let's get started. I've already done my skincare and my hair is in the drying process, so please ignore that. Next, I'm gonna use the Miss Claire Dewy Finish Setting Spray and seal all the prep that I did. If you want your makeup to last longer and be waterproof, you have to make sure to seal each and every step. I recently got myself a new brush set. This is by Real Techniques and I've been eyeing on this product for quite some while now. This is a base product brush set and of course we'll be testing it out today. I also got this rotating brush holder to keep all my brushes and it has this clear lid as well, so no dust is sitting on my brushes. How cute, right? And so easy to access. I love it. Let's get started with the makeup now. For foundation, I'm going to use Blue Heaven Skin Tint in the shade Natural. I always like to dot the product all over my face. And to blend it, I'm going to use Real Techniques Makeup Sponge. It's blending the product so fast. My whole face was done in less than a minute. एक और चीज़ जो मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी, ये मेकअप स्पॉन्ज ज़रा भी प्रोडक्ट अब्जॉर्ब नहीं करता. वेरी मिनिमल एंड गेट्स द जॉब डन इन मिनट्स. सो ये बहुत ही अच्छा प्रोडक्ट है. बिफोर गोइंग इन विद अ कंसीलर, आई एम गोना सेट द अंडर आईज एज वेल एज माई टी जोन विद सम पाउडर. आई एम यूजिंग K Beauty, you can use any. And I'm using RT402 brush for that. Next, I'm gonna go in with Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 20 Sand and just gonna go under my eyes and some areas that I want to conceal. And for brush, I'll be using RT300. Love the shape of this brush, fits perfectly in those small areas. Next for bronzer, I'm going to use Swiss Beauty Instant Cover Pan Stick in the shade Toffee, I believe. And to blend all of this, I'm going to use RT200 brush. Again, इसका shape मुझे perfect लगा because ये थोड़ा pinched है, so it will concentrate on that area perfectly. It's actually a foundation brush, but I'm going to use it for bronzer. And of course, we need to set the under eye, so I'm going to use K Beauty powder for that. Next, I'm going to use Gush 3-in-1 Stack. I love this product. Let's use the cream blush first. I'm gonna go over with a powder blush as well, आगे, but अभी के लिए this will be the base. Next for eyebrows, I'm gonna use the NYX Tinted Brow Mascara, my absolute favorite product. It sets them, it fills them in, and does everything that you want. That too in seconds. Let's do the eye makeup now. For that, I'll be using Maybelline Tattoo Studio's Smoky Kajal in the shade Black. For me, Navaratri means black smoky coal eyes, and girls look so beautiful in it. So that's what we're going to do today. Apply a nice thick layer and smudge only on the top portion. And do this one eye at a time because ये बहुत जल्दी set भी हो जाता है. And don't worry, this is waterproof, smudge proof. आप रगड़ोगे तो भी ये नहीं निकलने वाला है. So this is perfect when you play Garba. Usually I would do black smoky eye on the top as well as bottom lid, but मेरा आँख ना बहुत छोटा है. So if I do that, it will make my eyes even smaller. So I'm going to do the black smoky eye on the top lid and I'm going to do brown on the bottom. So it's not super heavy. Next, I'm going to go in with a Maybelline Line Tattoo High Impact Liner and create a winged eyeliner. Now, you can totally skip this step, but for me, this is a must. ये product भी waterproof है, smudge proof है. अगर आप पानी डालोगे, sweating, कुछ भी हो, ये नहीं निकलने वाला है. Next, I'm going to use this highlighter from Gush 3-in-1 palette and just apply it a little near the inner eye corner just to brighten it up. आप lids पे भी लगा सकते हो if you want a pop of color. Next, I'm going to use a brown kajal and apply it on the bottom lid. And using the same brown shadow, I'm going to smudge it a little. Okay, let's complete the look. For blush, I'm going to use Savannah Blush Palette. और ये color लगाने वाली हूँ. And for brush, I'll be using RT400. It's a nice big blush brush. Next, I'm going to use RT402 as a highlighter brush and just give my face a little highlight. Next, I'm going to set all the products in using Miss Claire Dewy Finish Setting Spray. Actually, मैंने ये सिर्फ लास्ट में यूज़ किया, but I would recommend to use it in between step as well. Next, for lashes, I'm going to use Maybelline Lash Sensational Sky High Mascara, my favorite. I was going to do falsies, but then I thought it's not practical. गरबा खेलते वक्त कभी भी निकल जा सकता है. So, mascara is the safe option. Also, it's waterproof. Okay, time for the lippies. For that, I'll be using Sugar Matte as Hell Crayon Lipstick in the shade 10 Cherry Darling. I've already made a dedicated video on festive lipstick picks. This is one of them, so please check it out. I absolutely love this shade. It glides on like butter. Makeup is done. Now let's complete the look with some bindi and jewelry. And that's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Let me know in the comments down below what video do you want me to film next. Also, Amazon Great Indian Festive Sale is now live. You can get up to 50 to 80% off on top fashion and beauty brands. All product links will be in the description down below. I'll also put my storefront link जहाँ पर सारे products आपको एक जगह पे मिल जाएंगे. Don't forget to check them out. With that said, like, share, subscribe, hit the bell notification to get notified whenever I upload a new video. With that said, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat. I used to float the Bowery when I was high enough.
Spider-Man's control and Batman with his fist. And clearly I don't see myself upon that list.